Hello, this is Rich with breathingwiththemarkets.com. How you doing, traders? Today was a shit show for me. I lost four funded accounts, and let's get into it. I passed four evaluations, but that does not replace my funded accounts by any means. Total for the day, I think it was down over a little bit over a minus $1,069 according to their information, but losing my four funded accounts is more valuable than being down just $1,000. Let's get into it. Okay, here is the stats for today on my funded accounts. This can vary from one trader to the next, depending on what they look at and what they look for in their trading, whether they're reaching their goals or not. As we can see over here to the upper right, is down $1,069 total for the day. I mean, it is what it is. It does say that, but I lost four accounts, funded accounts, and I'm not happy about that at all. The trailing drawdown came down and basically got me out of the market. And that's what killed my accounts. As you can see here, auto liquidated threshold value. This account, the very first one, it says that I lost the account, although I still had $50,039 in the account. The next one I lost had $50,095. And then the third one that I lost had $50,057 left in the account. And then the last one here, where it says minus 466, that should be gray. I don't know why it's not gray. I did lose that account. Once again, it's their system. I can only show you what they show me. And I lost that account, and that was at 49,184. In theory, I did not reach my minus $2,500 in drawdown from the initial drawdown. I had these accounts up, getting close to payout, and trailing drawdown whipped me out, so-called blew the accounts. So I was not in the rules, obviously, in their rules or a trailing drawdown. So if it goes up $1,500 and it goes down $1,500 and you're still in the game, your drawdown is $1,500 less. And as price continues to move up and down, that will fluctuate and can knock you out of the market. It is what it is. But once again, so for those that are out there critiquing others on how they present this type of information, use caution, because several different ways to present this information. The bottom line is whether or not you are receiving payouts or not, whether you're making progress or not, whether you're reaching your goals or not, whether you're learning each day is what's most important. This is a skill first channel, and it's not about money. We do have risk and reward. We do have profits and losses, and these funded accounts are simulated funded accounts, but yet you play within the rules and you pass and you get payouts. This is futures trading, and futures are different from currencies and so forth. So you can call it whatever you want. You have an initial investment. You pass evaluations. I passed four evaluations today, and I lost some evaluations today. But I don't want to trade. Let's say that I don't want to pass four evaluations and lose four of my PA accounts. That's not what the goal is here. The goal is to continue to build funded accounts up and continue to get to payouts and continue to push harder and harder. I said recently, the last few weeks, I was going to push harder and harder and get out of the safety net and continue to grow and push harder. And this is what happens when you continue to push the accounts to the maximum, still being conservative. So as you can see, I have close to, I think this one PA, I have close to $8,800 in this one PA account, and the other one I have about $6,600. So I am pushing them to the max. I'm already above the threshold for a payout, excluding the 10 days. I hope all this makes sense. If not, the best thing to do is to read any prop firm and understand the rules prior to executing any trades. And it's always skill first. So what did I learn today? And not a damn thing. Then it's another trading day. You really have to learn how to become the best loser, because we're going to continue to lose each and every day. whether it be one trade or two trades or an account. That doesn't mean that if you lose a trade that you're going to end up negative for the day either. I think I had over a couple hundred trades today, and that number really doesn't matter to me. What matters is that I lost 4 funded accounts today. I'll bounce back. I'm not perfect. Don't claim to be perfect. I do have a skill in the market and I do have an edge in the market. And over a period of time, that edge will continue to climb and I will continue to work on that edge. It's not about the money. I don't care about the money. I'm retired. I don't need it. This is a passion for me and I want to help other traders reach their goals and continue to elevate their skill level also. If you want to learn how I trade and how I approach the market, please visit breathingwiththemarkets.com. Peace, traders.